Good evening and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. Tonight, I would like to talk about the housing bubble. I have a real estate friend that just got into business later in life, in his 50s, mid 50s, and he just can't get enough listings. And it doesn't look like this bubble or this housing situation is going to end anytime soon. Prices are going up. I just don't know how anybody can afford to buy a house. Even my wife wants to buy a third house to get in on the market bubble and make lots of money. I'm very cautious about this. Well, let's do a little research, see how we can make some money, see if we're playing and watching the right stocks to capture this opportunity to make some money in the stock market. MHFIN has a financial site. It speaks very clearly, very simply. And what he's saying is that we have a second housing crisis within 12 years, and millennials just can't buy. This is a picture of a fixer-upper that's in really bad shape, going for around $250,000. Once it's fixed up, people are buying them and flipping them. This particular house went for over $250,000. $450,000. Anyway, check out this fellow's site. MarketWatch says you can invest in the home builders, and he lists them here in the stock tickers. They list DHI, Home Depot, Walmart, Amazon, Zillow, HomeZ. To answer, is the U.S. heading towards a housing bubble? Is from the Hill. Home prices are rising. The pandemic has exacerbated the housing crisis. The median home prices have risen 20% during the last year. Mortgage rates are low. And what they're saying is, as long as people are demanding housing, there's no sign of the bubble bursting anytime soon. So if we can expect housing prices to increase, more and more people buying houses, what stocks can we go for? This is an article from Investor Place, and it lists 7 stocks to profit from the housing situation. First of all, they're saying get rid of AIG, which I have in my portfolio. And they're listing Waterworks, American Waterworks, Next Era Energy, Smith & Wesson. That's very interesting. Spectrum Holdings is not in. I don't have Smith & Wesson either, but really should look at that. Walmart and Costco we have in there. Lowe's, Home Depot, I have. And this article describes the rationale for buying each one of those stocks in order to make money during the housing situation. So looking at the stocks that are in my portfolio, Lowe's, Home Depot, Zillow, Walmart, Costco, Ollie, Verizon, Upwork, using the RSI indicator and taking about 41 trades throughout the year, we netted ourselves $624. The average was about 7 or 8 days, and it looks like the average, I'm just guessing at this, was around $18 to $19, $20. Each one of these had 4 or 5 trades each. Ollie, which was a loser, and so was Costco at the moment. Ollie had only 3 trades. This is using the RSI indicator and its back-tested results. Let's take a look at the MACD. The MACD indicator seems to do a little better. More trades, about the same amount of days held. So let's go to TradingView and look at Lowe's, Walmart, and Upwork. We're going to use the MACD at the moment. What looks like we got better results, but the job of a swing trader, looks like we got some good swings here. And let's see if the MACD picks up those swings. We're going to eliminate the ones that are close to the zero line. And we're going to eliminate that red one because it's below the zero line. But we could get those there, and that would have been a good, really good. There we have a red one above the zero line, and one here. And we have one below it go up. Let's see if those were good. Only for a short time. And you wouldn't necessarily take this unless it was in the direction of your zig. And likewise, we got one here. And that would have been a nice little, you would have picked that up. So this is a loser. winner, and a winner here, and a winner here. So that's 1, 2, 3. 3 winners and 1 loss. 75% win rate. Let's do another one. Looking at Walmart, nice major swings. Like to pick those up, but then you got some minor swings too. That's a nice one. A nice one there. And a nice one there. Using the MACD, that's below. We wouldn't take any of these because they're too close. These are above, so you might take this one, and this one. But you wouldn't, because your zig might be in the upward direction. Even your minor zig was in the upward, and you wouldn't take that. So the MACD would have caught that 1 win. Let's look at Costco. Major swing. MACD would have caught that one, just like the Walmart caught that one. And it would have took that one. And this is noise. So we looked at Lowe's, Walmart. Let's look at Zillow and Upwork. Lots of action here. Noise. That's a down. It would have got that, so we got a win. This one. Yep, we got a win here. And then we got a win. Yep, that's a win. Looks like noise there. It's still noisy. Looks like 3 wins. So let's summarize this. Here's some major swings and some minor. These look like big enough. And so there's a down, maybe here, and not here. Too close to the 0 line. There's a buy. There's a buy. And you wouldn't take the red ones, but you would take the green ones because it's below the 0 line. And see what we got. Yes, this was a win. Nice. That's a down. And yes, that's a loss. A win. Definitely here. And somewhere around there. If you didn't get stop lost out. Win. And you wouldn't take those. So that looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wins. It must be my grand finale. Picking some stocks that we can trade to take care of the opportunity that there is going to be a steady increase of housing for the next foreseeable future. And if it is a bubble, it's not going to burst anytime soon. Using the MACD indicator, we have net profits of about $1,100 to $1,200. We made a total of 63 trades on an average of about 9 days. Trading a $5,000 account and $1,000 each time, your money is going to be sitting idle a lot of times. So $1,000 on a $5,000 account with margin, trading 5 to 6 to 7 stocks at a time, your money will be ready to do other things with it. So you can trade other things. So this is a good return. Well, what do you think? Guess you could put your money in Amazon, but can you pick a winner like that all the time? And I think the spectacular returns on Amazon will slow down. It's going to be slow and steady for Amazon and companies like Tesla and others. So what I did was I back tested it and got the number of winners, and then you can make some bets. Pick the best ones out of here with the highest win rate and the highest net profit, and choose those stocks to trade. Or you could do it this other method, the manual method, and back test it yourself using your chosen indicator, just like I did just a minute ago. Anyway, in the comments below, let me know if you think the housing and its spectacular results in the housing are going to continue, or will it be a bubble and burst? Please like and subscribe this video. I could use the subscribers, and I could use the likes too. Do your own due diligence. These are not recommendations. We'll catch you on the flip. Happy trading.